Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll convert this cooler stand into a beautiful mandap for Ganesh Chaturthi. So let's get started. First, for that you need two bottle lights and cover the either sides of the cooler stand with that bottle light. Simply wrap the bottle light on the either sides and then fix the holder on the back side of the front sticks, as you can see. Now take a basic iron folding wire and measure it with the size of the cooler stand. Now fix the wire in such a way that it can hold two curtains. You can see here I have just folded one end of the wire on the front stick and the other on the other stick. Now take a white net cloth, you can even use a dupatta, cut it into equal pieces and hang it on the already made wire. Neatly crease the curtain on the one side of the stand and repeat same process on the other side. Now let's move on to the back side of the stand. Cover all these sticks which are visible from front with a golden color glitter net ribbon. What you need to do is just secure it with a tape and wrap it tightly, then again secure it with a sellotape. Move the stand upside down and repeat this process with the front and the back sticks also, as you can see in the video. Further, here I am cutting small pieces of iron wire to fix this beautiful pastel pink color garland on the cooler stand. You have to fix this garland very neatly. There are some hooks in the garland, just fix them with a sellotape, or it's better to use a folding wire. If you find difficult to work with wires, just use a good quality sellotape, it's also feasible. After properly fixing the garland, cut the curtains uniformly in equal size. Now flip the stand on the sides. We'll be further working on the sides. For that you need some small bells of golden color and a thread garland. Now just simply put the thread in the bells and measure the height of the thread with that of the height of the stand. Now properly hang 6 bells on the either sides, as you can see. Use a beautiful golden net ribbon to tie the curtains on both the sides. Make cute bows with the ribbon on the either sides, as you can see. After tying the bow, give the ends a neat and clean shape. Now for the background of the stand, take a circular garland and fix it on a circular ring light or any kind of LED circular light. Fix it with a normal thread and take someone's help until you're fixing it. Now light this up and here's the final look how it looks. Take a CHOWKI or patta and keep it in the center for a beautiful goldenish look. Now take some pastel roses and fix them on the front side of the row, and here our stand is ready. Now let's assemble it for Ganesh Chaturthi. Starting with the lower portion of the table, use a bright golden color cloth. It should be of full size so that it can cover the lower portion of the table very nicely. Now for the tabletop, use a beautiful greenish golden color cloth. Now keep our stand in the center and put our CHOWKI or patta in the center of the stand. Now light up the ring light and put a pastel garland on the front side of the table. After this, put the diyas on the either side and cover them with a MOGRA garland and light it with the help of a tea light, or you can even light the diya directly. Put our Kanduji in the center and our DIY mandap, which is made from cooler stand, is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video so patiently. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any queries related to the video, feel free to ask in the comment section. Now enjoy a long photo shoot of this beautiful mandap. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.